Good morning, ma'am. I'm Chelsea Pearson, phlebotomist for today. May I know what's your first name po?
Honey Princess.
About po yung sa inyo po?
Sweeko.
Okay po. So, let's start na po with coagulations time. Disinfect lang po.
Game na po.
Mas gusto mo manual?
1.
Wipe.
Wipe.
Ano yun, Mary?
Yun, meron na. Yan.
Ay, shit. 5 minutes lang.
Time check.
5 and 30 minutes.
Isa pa.
Sarap.